Purple, please. Oh, no, 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 no.
No. That's how you should do it.
Yeah. I'm scared. You're gonna fall off the leaves. Oh my. That's not dead. That's just stress.
Oh, no.
Oh well. Yeah, the plants got stressed out. I don't know if these plants came from Thailand or Indonesia. I'm gonna make you like that. Thank you, dog. It's beautiful, Monstera Albo Variegated. This is my trim plant bed. As you can see, there's a little brown spot there, but that's alright. We're gonna make this plant so happy. I ordered this one in Canada from Ella Ngoyen. So it's overnight from the FedEx. So this is worth around $750, and with that overnight FedEx shipping already. So this one is a little, but I will make this plant like that. This is the Monstera green. As you can see, they are very big already over there and they are pretty happy. So now I'm looking forward together this journey of purchasing expensive plant. I will make this guy a huge Monstera Albo. So let's see next week for the update for this plant. So this is like my princess, my baby, because I love plants. This rare plant Albo is so expensive at online. I can't even purchase it, and I can't even just get a one stick in this, but I wanted to have an Albo that is alive, that I'm not gonna wait to have like this. So for me, I think it's worth it. But as you can see, there's a rotten nudes already here, but don't worry, we'll make that nudes alive pretty soon. So purchasing this one is not really recommended, but unless if you are really collecting a rare plant like this. Plants makes you happy. It makes me happy. I don't care the price. So I'm very excited to make this one like big as that one, my Monstera green. I'm going to put this plant here in a cold pot. Putting some rocks in the bottom. Let's give this beautiful Albo mist with cold water. It's repotting time. So I put this one, a big bowl, and then I'm gonna wrap up with this moss. May bago na po tayong dahon. So, may butas yung dahon natin. Nakaka-excite. Kanina pa siyang umaga, guys. May bagong ugat na. So, i-mix lang natin. Ganyan, mix lang natin. So, ayan. Nilipat ko po siya sa moss. Kasi, dadami po siya ng ugat eh. Dumadami yung ugat. Ayan, dumadami po yung ugat. Ayan, gawa ko lang po ito. Yung pole niya to. Ginawa ko lang siya. Diba sobrang ganda? Good morning. Oh my God. It's almost there. So after 3 weeks, there's another one. Look at this beautiful, beautiful baby out. And only one in here. And this one have 3 of. Look at that. This beautiful variegation of Monstera. So let's see how it grow big or not. Size of my hand. So this Monstera Albo growing so fast in just a month and a half. Amazing. Look at this beauty. Another baby coming out. And it's normal that this Albo is, I don't know what happened, but it's very healthy. That one and that one, I can't wait. So you just don't give up to taking care of them. Look at this beauty and that beauty over here. And this my Adansoni $4. And my watermelon pink princess. It's just a short video for all of you guys. But I'm focusing on this growth since I was bought this one last June, and every month have a new gorgeous leaves. Look at these leaves, so beautiful, and it's inverted. That's really funny. So let's check tomorrow. I'm waiting for this to open. Good morning, everyone. So this is now. The leaf is popping out. And together with a new baby root in there. So let's see tomorrow. I have my coffee and stirring of this. As you can see, only little green. And this is the most beautiful one. And this one as well is inverted. As you can see it in here. So this is the biggest one that I have. I'm still waiting for the baby to come out patiently. So let's see tomorrow. Good morning. Look at that. Misting with water. So I have so many comments if I miss this all the time. Yeah, I did. But the problem is during the winter starting and the water is so cold, this start like this and you don't have to worry about it. Just take it off. This brown thing is normal for Albo. Just take it off this one. It doesn't hurt the plants at all. So just like that. And there's coming off new BB lift in this side. And every 3 weeks they give me a new one, but I'm going to do the early layering for now, which you can see there's the roots in there, and this is ready for cutting soon. And as you can see, it also in here. As you can see the roots, just like there, it's popping out already. So I use the Ziploc bag and then scrap it up. It's perfect for moist and stuff. But I have so many concern about it, this one, because one time I forgot that I watered this one so much, which is Albo doesn't like it at all. So I doubled the water. So I paid a price for it, and they start giving me this one. I think the super moist of the humidity also too. And for me, I don't have to worry about this thing, because if I cut this one and they give me another, but you must be very careful, because this leaf have no lots of chlorophyll, and I really wanted this kind of variegation. This is the old one, the old leaf, and the starting, I know, like some other stuff. You don't have to worry, guys, but this plant will give you another hope. Like if you got this one and there's a lot of fruits, and they will give you another growth. And this is my dream plant, so I just got this one for a gift for myself, and it is free. I got some bonus, and I don't trade my mortgage over a plant, guys. I'll never do that. So thank you for watching, guys, and let's give you an update when I got this one. And I'm scared to propagate, but I'm telling you, you don't have to worry about if there is something. But this will help your fungus nuts, and I never tried any more soils. I only use moss and perlite and samlica. And that's all the update and quick look. And this little big body over here doesn't give me any, but there's the tones of fruits, all of fruits everywhere, and even in the bottom. So patience is the key. It takes so many months already. And that's my tycoon over there. And this tycoon also doesn't like too much water, so be careful, guys. And these stones of it have lots of fruits already. So to make an airflow with your plants, just grab a fork and poke it, just like that. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.